Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have these kind of garage lights that are going to be, well, we want it out here so we can get some good broad light coverage. It also comes with these little the devices here that you can make your own outlet. We don't have to worry about that. We have an outlet here. Comes with two of them, and we're going to try to put one of these in here. It's probably not going to light up now because it is daytime, and works off of a light sensor. So we'll set it up, and then we'll come back and film it later. So let's see. Am I hitting something? I am. Oh, actually it does. So there we go. So now we are lit up, and we'll have to see later when it's dark what these actually are going to light up. But it seems like it's going to be good. It's going to actually light up a lot of area. So you can actually light up. I'll probably aim it. Get a little aiming done beforehand, and we'll see how bright we are later tonight. Looks good. Thumbs up. Okay, so look at the light now. Holy mackerel, that's light. It's lighting up this whole area out here compared to that light there, which is just lighting up a little bit. This one here is lighting up a lot. I mean, that is great. This is awesome. This is like lights up the whole thing here. I want to show you guys. So, I had to flip around. That one there, over there by that door, hardly lights up anything at all compared to this one. Super bright and super awesome. I love it. Man, look at this thing. You can see everything here. And the way those aim, you can aim them everywhere, every which way. This is really cool. I'm gonna say this light is the brightest garage light, or this one here is for outdoor. Right here, it's kind of covered, so it's good. But thumbs up for sure.